Hello students, in this video we will solve a third problem on graphical solution to find out whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or not. So the third question states that to find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or not and obtain the solution graphically. The equations given to us are 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. We are asked to plot 2 points as suggested over here using a graph paper. So let's plot the let's plot the equations first. So 2x plus y equal to, so we'll take x equal to 2 in this case. When x is equal to 2, write down the equation once again. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So in place of x, I'll substitute it with 2 plus y. I'll take 6 on the other side, it becomes positive. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus y equal to 6. When I take 4 on the other side, it becomes negative. 6 minus 4 is 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Next, I'll take x is equal to 3 and see what do we get. So 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So in place of x, I'll substitute it with 3 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 2 3s are 6 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So 6 minus 6 is 0. That means we get y is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. Now let's get 2 points for this equation, that is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So for first one I'll take x equal to 0 and let's see what we get. So I'll write down the equation. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So in place of x, I'll substitute it with 0. Minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So 4 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2y. I'll take 4 on the other side, it becomes positive 4. So we get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which means y will get as equal to minus 2. So when x is equal to 0, y we get as minus 2. Now I'll take x equal to 1 and see what do we get. Again we'll write the equation. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So in place of x, I'll substitute with 1. Minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 4 in 1s are 4 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is 0 and we are left with 2y minus 2y equal to 0, which means y is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 1, we get y equal to 0. So now that we have got the 2 points for each of the equations, let's plot the points on the graph paper. So I've drawn the outline of the graph, y-axis, x-axis, and in the scale I have taken 2 centimeters equal to 1 unit on y-axis as indicated over here, and on x-axis I have also taken 2 centimeters equal to 1 unit as mentioned on the scale. Okay, so this is just to space it out. If you want, you can also take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. It's just that it will look bigger, better, and much more neater and easier to observe. So let's plot the points. So I have the points over here. So for the first equation we have 2x plus y. Can we have a look? 2x plus y equal minus 6 equal to 0, and when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, which means it will be over here. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to positive 2, so it comes here. And when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0, which means the point will be here itself, okay, because y is 0. So we've got one we've got the points for the first equation, that is for 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now let's find out the points for 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So when x is 0, y is minus 2, so it will be over here. And when x is 1, y is 0. So when x is 1, y is 0. So that means it will be over here. Okay. Now we need to plot the two lines. We need to draw the two lines. Let's draw the two lines using a scale. So take a longer scale because the 2 points have to intersect each other if they are intersecting. So let's see if they are intersecting. So I'm just going to connect the two dots for the first equation, and I'll draw a long line to ensure if at all the two lines are intersecting, they should be able to intersect if we draw a long line. So judging by this line, so we will be able, I can tell that yes, we will be able to intersect the two lines. So we'll write down the equation of this line. So this was for equation 2x plus y minus 6. So 2 comma 2 is over here and 3 comma 0 is here. So we'll write this down as 2x plus y minus 6. So put it down as 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. And now let's plot the other line. So for that, once again, draw a line and draw it in such a way that it passes or intersects the other line. So, but make sure that the line that you are drawing passes through the points that you have plotted. Okay. So we'll mark this equation. It says 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now if you have a look that the two lines of the equation intersect at a point which is 2 comma 2. So this is giving us a unique solution, and we'll mark it with the help of a dotted line like this, marking the x-axis and y-axis too. And we make a note of it over here saying 2 comma 2 to indicate that we have got a unique solution and that the given pair of linear equations are consistent. So this was a third type of an example wherein we are getting equation which is not just consistent, but they give us just a unique solution, just one solution. Okay, and that is illustrated with the two lines intersecting each other just at one particular point. Okay, so we'll make a note of that and we'll conclude with our answer. So we say the lines of the given pair of linear equations intersect each other at 2 comma 2. Okay, thus we can say that the given set of linear equations are consistent and give a unique solution where x comma y corresponds to 2 comma 2, that is x is equal to 2 and y equal to 2. Okay, so this is how we get consistent solutions and also unique solution wherein the given pair of linear equations intersect at only one point, a unique point giving a unique solution. So continue watching videos on pair of linear equations in two variables to understand how to solve various problems. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever a video is posted. Thank you for watching.